Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video about the games, about the truth, fake or loyal games. I will let you know if this game is gonna pay you in real or no. So have a look at it and determine yourself. I will be showing you at the end of the video whether it's really paying me off or it's just a fake app just making you watch the ads, videos, and make you play so that they get the rating in Google Play Store or App Store. Check out the game. It looks really real. It works, but the steps doesn't work. The game area, the puzzle area, the scratch area, and the bubbles, they all work to make earning from them, and you have all the payment methods available here. I'm really confused if this program is gonna pay me or no, so let's see. So as you saw, this app is not paying me off. It just keeps telling me from thousands to 500, from 500 to 200, and day by day it's just getting down by 1%. It keeps telling me that there is a lot of people in queue, but that's actually not the truth. The real paying apps like Dragon, it really pays. It's just the next day it's in your PayPal and you make earning. The truth and real app is like that, not this, which makes you wait for months and payment is not done at all.